Hello everyone, I'm going to be going through our OmniFile Full Text Mega EBSCO database for those of you who may need to use this to write your paper with. If you're looking to write a paper on anything from art, education, humanities, especially including history, maybe even a little science, then our OmniFile Full Text Mega EBSCO database is a good database for you to start at. Here we are on CougarNet on the library page. We're going to go to Databases A to Z to find our database. Here at the top, you'll see A to Z. You can go ahead and click on O since our database starts with O. And here you see on the very top one, it says OmniFile Full Text Mega. We click on that to get to our database. When you click on your database, if it doesn't take you immediately to the search screen, if instead it asks for a username and password, you're going to use your CougarNet username and password, so the same thing you use to get into your CSCC email to enter the database. Okay, so here we are on the start screen for our OmniFile Full Text database. You'll see right in the middle you have your search bar. You'll also see down below you have some options to limit your search. You can look at those at your leisure, but I would pay attention to this full text box here and scholarly peer reviewed right there. I am going to go into the advanced search option. That's the one I always use. It just allows me to put things in more easily. And we know that some of you guys might be searching for banned books, censorship, stuff like that. So we'll go ahead and put that search in and see what we get back. Okay, so we've typed in our search options and these are our results. I just want to point out to the left, you'll see a lot of ways that, again, you can limit your search. We're going to focus today on making sure everything is full text and making sure everything is scholarly reviewed. In particular, the other one you may want to focus on is this publication date. So we're going to ignore that for now. Again, you guys can look at that whenever you like. And we're going to click on this one just because it's going to give us a little bit more to work with. Okay, so we found an article we think might work for us. There's just a few things on this screen that I want to point out. Right here in the middle, you have the title, and then you have the author. If you scroll down a little bit, here's the big one, the abstract. This is an easy way to read through and make sure that this really is going to suit your needs. You'll also notice up here back at the top, you have HTML full text, PDF full text. And on this one, actually, if you scroll down, you actually get into the text itself, so you can read it from this screen. Sorry, we're scrolling around a lot. So if we look back to the top to our right, you'll find a lot of different ways that you can save this article. You can print it, you can email it, or you can save it. Here's a big one that you need to look for, cite. So we're going to click on that, and we're looking for MLA citations. Okay, so then you can just copy this, and then you'll be able to paste that right into your Works Cited page. Just a reminder though, you need to just double check. These are usually right, but every once in a while it's a computer, so it may have a little problem somehow. So just make sure that that's actually accurate. So since this was a short introduction to this database, there's two more things I want to show you. If you have questions while you're doing your search, you can actually contact a librarian directly. Over here to the right, we're back on our search results page. You'll see an Ask a Librarian box. You can actually type right in here a question that you have, and a librarian will get back to you immediately. Another place you can do that, if we go back into one of our search results, and we scroll down just a little bit, you'll see the same box. So that is our very quick introduction to OmniFile Full Text Mega database. If you have any additional questions about this database or anything else library related, here are the different ways that you can contact us. Have a great day.